Hi everybody, this video is a quick version demonstrating how to write an essay, but I'd like to demonstrate it in a special kind of way where it's a sped up version, live, so you can see it moving over time, growing in a short video and watch that process happen pretty quickly. So let's take a look at what we're all facing is a blank page, and what do we start with, right? So we know what our question is, we know what we're being asked to do, and so we start drafting a sort of thesis statement. What's the objective, right, of my paper? What's the argument I'm going to make? This might be 2 or 3 sentences because I haven't made it a nice solid thesis statement yet into one sentence, but I'm just getting my ideas on paper, like what is the point that I'm trying to make, yeah? And as I draft that out, I'm thinking to myself, how am I going to summarize this maybe in one sentence, or which parts of this is going to be my intro, right? I then start drafting my outline. My outline is the plan for kind of the roadmap for what my essay is going to be. And I argue that your outline is possibly the most important part of the process of writing because it's guiding you, right? And we start filling in our outline. And as we fill in our outline over time, we're giving examples, details, but we're also seeing what the parts of the essays are, right? So what paragraphs am I going to write? How long are those paragraphs going to be? Does this section need 1 paragraph, or does this section need 3 paragraphs, or are these each separate paragraphs? And by writing an outline, I really get to see which sections are going to do what for my essay to support my thesis statement. I keep filling in that outline over time with examples, and I might not have all of the right things. You know, can I prove this? Do I need another paper? I don't know. Can I find an easy handout to demonstrate this example? You know, I don't have the answers at this point. I'm just getting my paper, getting my ideas on paper, right? So at the end, we've got kind of an overall outline. We know we've got the introduction. We know the thesis will go at the end of that intro, and I've got a plan. Right? So after the draft of the thesis statement and the outline, we then are going to continue this process, continuing to expand the outline, right? But now we see the whole paper in front of us. We see all the parts, and we can ask ourselves, okay, does this example, point, or detail belong in this paragraph? Or does it actually belong in a different paragraph? And I can start shuffling and moving those ideas around so that they most make sense and follow the most logical order to make my argument, right, of my thesis statement. So I keep moving those parts around and maybe adding some details. So next up, I'm going to copy my entire intro draft and thesis statement draft down to the bottom. It's at the top, then my outline, and then I've got it pasted again, and then I can start writing, right? So I'm going to go up, I'm going to grab a section of my outline. I'm going to write this as a paragraph. I'm going to copy that part of the outline and paste it down. And then because I have that outline plan, I'm going to say, okay, I'm going to write this paragraph. Go, right? And from there, I can begin to fill in that paragraph using the outline over time. Let's watch how we do this. Right? There it goes. Once I'm done with that paragraph, I am writing a draft, so I don't have all the answers yet, right? I don't know if I'm necessarily going to be answering all my questions while I'm writing, so I can leave notes to myself. I can make myself a little to-do list, go investigate this later, develop this later, right? I don't have to do that on the first draft. Second paragraph, copy paste it down. Keep filling in the details. And we can do this throughout the entire process, right? Copy paste down a part of the outline, fill in the blank, copy paste down, fill in the blank. Notice I'm highlighting and making notes to myself. You know, what's the right word for this? I don't really know. Look it up later, right? I can give myself that little task. What we end up with is a really, really messy draft, right? And that's what we want. We want a messy draft. Notice as I complete each section, I'm going to highlight it in my outline to say, okay, done, check, move on to the next one, right? And if you look at the draft, you know, that you see here, it's not pretty. It's got comments to myself, notes, to-do list, etc. But at least all the ideas are there, and they have followed the outline as I planned it out, right? Again, add more later. I'm not finished with this, etc. And that's okay. This is the first draft. So by the time we get to the end, we finish the outline. I'm going to delete that top section because now here's that beautiful essay at the bottom. Beautiful essay as a draft form. And I'm going to use this as my first draft of my essay, right? That whole process took me about 25 minutes to draft out the essay using my outline, right? I hope that this visualization of filling in that draft makes it a little easier for you to see the process and how it might work over maybe a 30, 40, 50 minute task. Good luck.